numbers. So in mathematics we have problems like this. Yes, 8 into 10 divided by 5 minus 3. What we need to do first, that you have a confusion here. You got a confusion then. So like this also we'll do. First multiply this 2 and subtract this 2 and we'll do 40 we'll get. And also if we do like this, 10 divided by 5. So without knowing any rules, we can do in any way. So like that we'll get different answers. So to reduce this confusion, to avoid this confusion, mathematicians introduced some rules. So like this, how we need to follow the order? How we need to follow the order? Yes, that is Demas rule. Division, first we need to give importance. If there is no separation mentioned, no brackets, that doesn't given any brackets, so at that time we need to follow the order like this: division first, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. Demas rule: division, multiplication, addition, then last subtraction. So this rule we need to follow. So according to this rule, how can we avoid the confusion here? First division we need to do. Yes, this one first we need to do. So 10 divided by 5, how much we'll get? 2. So like that here, 8 into 2 minus 3. Yes, 8 into 2. Then multiplication we need to do. Yes, Demas, division after multiplication. This one we need to do. Multiplication we need to do. 16 minus 3. There is no next addition will comes. But addition is not there here. Only subtraction we have. Last step we need to follow. 16 minus 3. How much? 13 is the answer. So which one is correct among these three? This one is correct. This one is wrong. So why? Because here rules followed. And here no rule. So Demas rule we need to follow. And if they have given bracket also, bracket of, and sometimes 5 of 5, 1/5 of 5. So OF of means multiplication ana. Into of అని ఇచ్చాడనుకో, we need to do multiplication there. Okay na? Is multiplication with. Of means multiplication. Here bracket of, division, multiplication, addition, then last subtraction. This is the order we need to follow. Bracket of, order. This is the order. Bracket of, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. In this manner we need to follow the order. So here some problems we'll do. Here 4 into 7 minus 14 divided by 2. So according to our Demas rule, first we need to do division. Yes? First we need to do division. So 14 divided by 2. How much? 7 will get. So then multiplication we need to give importance. Second step lo multiplication we need to do. So 4 into 7, 28 will get. 28 minus 7. Last we need to do subtraction. 28 minus 7, how much? 21 is the answer. Like that you say here. First we need to do what? Division. Yes, Demas. First division we need to do. So where is the division here? This one. So is equals to 24 minus 6 into 2 plus 4 minus 6 divided by 3 we need to do. 6 divided by 3 how much? 2 we'll get. Okay. In the next step what we need to do after division? After division? Multiplication. Okay. Are you listening? After division, multiplication we need to do. Multiplication 6 into 2. So 24 minus 6 into 2, 12. Plus 4 minus 2. So division completed. Then next step multiplication we done. In the third step what we need to do? Division, multiplication, then third addition. Okay. Addition we need to do. Here addition we have 24 minus 12 plus 4 how much? This one we need to simplify. 12 plus 4 16 minus 2. Finally we need to do subtraction. 24 minus 16 minus 2 minus 18 is equals to how much, Nana? 6 we'll get. Okay. 6 is the answer. What is the order we need to follow? Division, multiplication, addition, finally subtraction. If bracket and off is there, we need to follow bracket of, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. In this manner, there is no confusion. We need to follow the order like this. Bracket they will give means at that time we need to follow this order. There are no brackets, we need to follow Demas rule. These are the rules found by the mathematicians to avoid the confusion in maths. So here do this, Nana. You say by is the screen clear for you? Is the screen clear for you? Yes, okay. Say first which one we need to do in this problem? Yes, first Demas rule. First what? D. D for division. Division we need to do. 35 divided by 5. 7. How much we will get, Nana? 5. Okay. Into 3 plus 4. Are you getting or not? You are not responding. Why? 35 divided by, okay, very good. After division we done, next step multiplication we need to do. Where is the multiplication? Here we have 5 into 3. How much? 15. Plus 4 minus 11. So multiplication after addition. Addition we need to do. 19 minus 11. So addition after, in the fourth step we need to do subtraction. How much? 19 minus 11. 19 minus 11, 8. Okay, 8 is the answer. Like that we need to do by following the rule. So if brackets and all they will given means, at that time here see of they given, see of. So word mass. So this is the rule we need to follow. Bracket, there is no bracket, leave about that. And of here we have. So first we need to do this. So 75 divided by 3 of 5 means what, Nana? Of means multiplication. 3 into 5, how much will get? 15. So this one I removed, confusion. 3 of 5 means we need to do multiplication. Okay? 3 of 5. 3 into 5 we need to do. 15. Next one is division, Nana. In the next step we need to do off after division. So 17 divided by 15, how much? 5. 15 5s are 75. Yes. Next one. Here we need to do off we need to remove. Okay. So in the first step, off we need to remove. 90 divided by 3 of 5. How much, Nana? 3 of 5. 3 of 5. 15. 15. Okay. Into 2. So in the next step, division we need to do. After off removing, division we need to remove. So division means 90 minus 15. How much? 6 we'll get. 6 into 2. So in the next step, multiplication we need to do. 12. Can you do this problem, Nana? According to that, can you do this? Okay. Here bracket they given. Bracket. So about bracket also I will explain you now. Then you will do the problem like this. And here one more thing I want to give you here. Homework. Copy this problem. Now only you do this. 30 divided by 2 of 6 divided by 2 of 2. 2 of 2. Do this. 30 divided by 2 of 6 divided by 2 of 2. Here not 30, Nana, 180 I will give. Big number I will give. 180 divided by 2 of 6. Okay, 2 of 6 divided by 2 of 2. Fraction like also you'll get. Nothing will happen. Fraction ochina sare chesai. Okay, na? You also have idea on fractions. 2 of 6 divided by 2 of 2. And another one, second one I will give you. 25 divided by 1 of 5. 1 of 5 into 1 of 5 in 125. 1 of 5 into what I'll give here, into 1. Okay, do this. 1 of 5 into 1 or into 12. Do this. These two problems you do. Okay, now own I have given up to here. You copy this. Did you copy, Nana? Can you do now?
Yes,
Okay. Do now and show your screen here. Show your book to me. In phone you are doing kada? In phone you are doing. Show your book. Back camera you on and do the problem. By hand also you can do. I know. You are escaping at that day. You are escaping on that day and now also you are trying like that. You escaped at that day. Yes, do now. Show your book, Nana. Okay, do that problem now. First, what you need to remove? It is not visible to me. Okay. 2 into 6. Okay. 180 also you write first. 180 divided by also you should mention there. Screen is not coming to me. Okay, nice. 2 of 6. How much, Nana? 2 of 6 means 2 into 6. Yes. How much 2 into 6? Very good. Nice. And again 2 of 6 you have. 2 times 2. 2 of 2. Last 2 of 2, Nana. Last. You wrote there 6 again. 2 of 2. Your screen is not coming to me. Okay. Last 2 of 2. See? 2 of 2. 2 2s are 4. Very good. You complete that one now. 180 divided by 180 divided by 12. 12 divided by 4. Okay na? How much we'll get? 2 times divide cheyali. 180 divided by 12. How much we'll get?
I will do rough work.
Okay, rough work. Inside margin you draw and you can do that in rough. 180 divided by
19.
yes 12. How much, Nana? 12 ones are 12. 6 is the answer. 15 you got. 15. Yes. 15 divided by again 4. So here we'll get a fraction. So 12 3s 4 3s are 12. 3 is the remainder. 3 by 4. Finally you got like that. Yes.
Yes, auntie.
Yes, nice. And the next one you do, Nana. 125 divided by 1 of 125 divided by 1 of 5 into 12. Is it visible to you?
Yes, auntie.
No. 125 divided by 1 of 5 into 12. One 125 divided by 1 of 5 into 12. Okay, nice. You copied. Do. Yes, 1 into 5 you should do first. Then after that what we need to remove? Divide it by. In the next step you should write 125 divided by 1 into 5. 1 into 5 how much, Nana? 5. 125 divided by 1 into 5. 5. So first we need to remove this division then multiplication. So 5 ones are okay na? 5 twos are 20. 5 fives are 25. So how much? 25 you will get. 25 into 12 you do. Then how much is the answer? Multiplication you do. 25 into 12. So that is the situation. 1 of 5. How much 1 of 5? 5. 125 divided by 5.
5 into 12. 5 into 12 is equal to 16.
Not 5. 5, Nana. Yes, just a minute. Not 5. 125 you have already. 1 of 5 means 5. Okay. 1 of 5. See here. 1 of 5 means 5 into 12. So here what we need to follow? First division we need to remove. BODMAS. First division kada. Then multiplication. You go through, not go through with this. ఇక్కడికి వెళ్ళొద్దు. First you do this. A division first you should do. Division first, then multiplication. So 125 divided by 5. 5 2s are 10. 25. 5 5s are 25. So like that here we'll get 25 into 12. Now you do multiplication. 25 into 12. 12 5s are 60 and 12 2s are 24 plus 6. 12 2s are how much Nana? 24 plus 6 30. Answer is 300. 300, okay? So like that you can get. Here, next one, types of brackets. Types of brackets. Parenthesis. We are. Yes, what Nana?
Auntie, can you
I'll send photo. I'll
not
send.
photo, auntie?
Video. Say what you're talking.